Good morning. I am Guneet Kaura, serving as an organizing committee member for VRST 2021. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome one and all to the 7th International Virtual Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development VRST 2021. VIRST 2021 is an international forum which provides the most coveted interdisciplinary research platform to address the vital issues pertaining to all areas of sustainability. The conference is providing valuable platform for researchers, academicians, managers, educationists, environmentalists, and entrepreneurs to congregate and share their findings, ideas, scientific knowledge, and new techniques applications about latest development in their respective domain for sustainable development. At VIRST, we are committed to provide a much required platform to recognize the remarkable contribution of academic leaders, academic influencers, educators, educationists, engineers, innovative educators, researchers, young aspirants, young researchers, young scientists in their respective fields. VRST 2021 is being organized virtually by Green Thinkers Society India and International Institute of Organized Research I2OR India in association with Centre for Smart Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia. On behalf of Organizing Committee, I would like to invite Shri Tanveer Singh, President Green Thinkers India, to deliver formal welcome address.
Hello everyone, it gives me great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on the behalf of VIRSD committee at the official opening of 7th International Virtual Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development, being organized by I2OR India and Green Thinkers in association with Centre for Smart Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia, Sustainable Cosmos, Suscos Academy, and the Intelligent Indian. A galaxy of academicians from different research domains is present here to enlighten us, and we look forward to reviving and thought provoking power packed sessions. The wide range of topics covered in the conference would be beneficial to both industry and academia. I sincerely hope that attending the conference will help the participants in enhancing their professional skills. I would like to thank the keynote speakers, experts delivering expert talks for adding value to this conference. I would like to express thanks to the team of I2OR and Green Thinker Society for the successful organization of the conference and for providing all the logistic support to the conference. Thanks are also due to the members of various committees for their support in making the conference successful. I hope this conference will prove to be an inspiring and truly transformative experience for you. Every effort has been made for making the conference a success. I hope that participants will have a productive day and with the enhanced knowledge base. Thank you so much.
VIRST recognizes excellence through its eminent series of awards for academic leaders, academic influencers, educators, engineers, innovative educators, researchers, young aspirants, young researchers, young scientists for their achievements and contributions in their fields. The awards were instituted by Green Thinkers Society India in 2016 during IRST 2016. Since its inception, we have received thousands of nominations for the Envid Awards. It is the fifth edition of these coveted awards, and till date 300 awards have been bestowed by the Society to recognize the exemplary work of individuals and organizations across the globe. So, our first category is International Academic Excellence Award, and the award goes to Dr. Mane Dhananjay Vithal Rao from India. Our next awardee is Dr. P. Sujatha from India. Our next awardee is Dr. Shivani Bali from India. Our next awardee is Dr. Said Mohammad E from India. Moving to our next category, International Academic Leader Award, and this award goes to Professor Dr. Vikram Bali from India. Professor Kanchan Sharma from India. Professor Kanchan Sharma from India. Our next category is International Author Award, and this award goes to Engineer Shashank Dattatreya Kulkarni from India. Our next category is International Educator Award, and this award goes to Dr. Basumita Roy Chaudhary from India. Our next category is International Edu Trainer Award, and this award goes to Dr. Prasanna Kumar S from India. Our next category is International Engineer Award, and this award goes to Dr. Mahesh Kumar from India. Mr. Daniel R. Jagesar from USA. Our next category is International Innovative Educator Award, and this award goes to Ms. Kulvinder Kumar from India. Our next category is International Lifetime Achievement Award, and this award goes to Dr. Devanand Maski from India. Our next category is Global Principal Award, and this award goes to Professor Dr. Siddharth Ghosh from India. Our next category is International Publisher Award, and this award goes to Dr. A. Paul Mukesh from Ethiopia. Our next category is International Researcher Award, and this award goes to Dr. R. Sivaraman from India. Dr. T. Nalini from India. Dr. T. Rochelle Shalini from India. Our next category is International Teacher Award, and the award goes to Dr. Shetty Shiv Kumar Kashinath from India. Mrs. Sheetal Shrirang Dange from India. Professor Dr. Rajesh Kumar from India. Our next category is International Young Researcher Award, and the award goes to Dr. Abhay Punia from India. Dr. Sonali Vyas from India. Dr. Vishal Bhimsha Sajjan from India. Mr. Dipanjan Sen from USA. Mr. Yamejala Suryanarayan Murthy from India. Ms. Priyanka Yu from India. Our next category is International Young Scientist Award, and the award goes to Dr. Gurpreet Kaur from India. Dr. Yasappa L from India. So all good things come to an end. Before concluding, I would like to invite Shri Tanveer Singh, who is educator, researcher, trainer and environmentalist from India. He is acting as training manager for IIT Bombay's spoken tutorial project by Ministry of Education, Government of India to promote IT literacy. Also, he is National Geographic educator from India. So let us invite him for a concluding remark for VIRST 2021.
Hello everyone once again. On the behalf of organizing committee VIRSD 2021, I would like to thank one and all for making this event a great success. I would like to take opportunity to thank all the keynote speakers for their contribution during the conference. I would like to thank all the participants for connecting virtually with us from different states of India and from the different countries as well, for making their valuable contribution in the conference. I would like to congratulate all the awardees for being recognized for their respective contribution in the field of education and research. A special thanks to all the members of Green Thinker Society and I2R India for providing all the support and services to organize this event. I firmly believe that VIRSD 2021 have been beneficial to one and all in one way or the other, and assure that our team will be organizing such events in the near future as well. Looking forward to see you all next year in IRSG 2022. Thank you so much.